vlog, Lourdes ARCAMO. Don't forget to subscribe. Ang gagawin natin this afternoon ay magpa-feeding tayo ng champurado. Teka guys, tingnan nyo guys yung champurado namin guys. O, bagong luto. Ayan, champurado with ano yan, chocolate and natural na sticky rice. Alright, bang. Ayan guys, feeding program. Kain na guys, merenda time. Oh, here. Next. Alright. Dito. Next. Yeah, it's sweet already. Templado na yan. Ayan guys, if you want champurado with sticky rice and natural chocolate from cacao. Yan, this is the champurado. Next. Ayan. Feeding program. Yan, more champurado guys. Yummy, yummy. Yan, it's so yummy. It's yummy. Me too also the host. Yeah. Magandang view lang ko dong. Magandang view lang dong. Come here guys. This is the champurado sticky rice with natural chocolate from cacao tree. And with a sticky rice, purple color. Yummy, so delicious guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. Bye bye from